Oh, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today on this video, I gonna tell you that what is the roles of a QA automation engineer and what is the responsibility of QA automation engineer. Why that QA jobs is there? What that QA guys actually does. So all things I will explain on this video, guys. First thing is like let me introduce you about software automation or QA automation. So it is one kind of process in software development. On that process, that on QA guy was there, that QA guy main job is like to automate that whole procedure of software testing, and QA guy also check that software quality. So in this presentation I'll try to explore that responsibility and what kind of skill if you guys need if you are want to like go with QA profile, and what impact you guys will create inside the software industry, like how you guys will deliver that high quality software product inside that software industry. So all things I'll explain on this video, guys. Okay, so let me introduce like QA automation. So QA automation, it is kind of specialized tool. Through that tool we can automate that testing processes. So basically one software has came for that testing domain. So testers, they are basically recheck that software based upon that user needs or user requirement, and once they have checked that full software, then they will start automating that whole process. So that code will test that developer's code. Okay, so this approach is called automation. Through this approach, it will actually enhance the efficiency and effectiveness of software testing, and also it allows the teams to identifying the issues earlier in development cycle. So, like developer can easily able to fix that bug, easily able to make that software isn't perfect. So, like that way, they can like manage that a good quality software product. So this is nothing but my QA automation. Now, what is the responsibility like a QA guys need to do? Means like what kind of responsible that QA guys actually are. So basically, QA automation engineers, they are responsible for creating and maintaining that automation test script. They are also executing the test cases and also analyzing the result of that software, and they are collaborate with the developers for ensuring that better quality of software, and like that way they are like a kind of uh, put it that they are preventing the bugs, and they are making that software in like a good quality product, and they are able to catch that a they are able to catch the like software bugs inside the development cycle. So like that way like whole process will be going on. So this is the key responsibility of a QA automation engineer. Now, what is the essential skill required? So like for QA automation, if you are want to go with that QA automation role, then you need to understand the programming. So programming is like a essential tool. You need to understand that OOPS concept, collection framework. If you are pursuing that Java automation, if you are going with that JavaScript, then you have to learn that what is like JavaScript concept, how the JavaScript going to work. So all thing, and also if it should be familiar with the testing framework, you have to know like lots of testing frameworks is there, like Mocha, like Cucumber BDT, also like hybrid framework, TestNG, and Karate framework. So many frameworks are there. Those things you guys have to be familiar with, and along with that, you guys need to understand that CI/CD pipeline, how that it is working, like continuous integration and continuous deployment process, how that process is working, and this skill is actually needed for you guys. So basically git and github, like how the repo works, online repo, like you need to understand like what is that like SQL database, how the database going to work. So API, how that APIs work. So now let me tell you about testing frameworks. So what is the framework? Basically framework is nothing but a, it is kind of, you can say it is kind of like thing, or kind of procedure inside that like a folder structure, or like structurized procedure. Through that procedure you are writing that cases, that you are managing that cases, or you're managing the code. So this is nothing but framework. So inside the testing we have branch of different frameworks are there, like POM framework is there, TestNG is a very crucial, JUnit, along with the Selenium. So many frameworks are there. So through that frameworks, you are writing that your code, and that framework will be like automatically rearrange that code based upon that your code structure, and that actually that frameworks provide the infrastructure that need to create your code or script, or need to execute and need to manage that automation test script effectively. So this is that nothing but my testing frameworks. Now another thing is collaboration with teams. So a QA automation guy need to collaborate with the development team and product teams. So QA guys is kind of bridge between a developer and a like salesperson or a product teams. Okay, so QA guys able to understand the product as well as they understand the development cycle. They are testing that whole process, and they are communicating with that developer. They're communicating with that sales and support guys. Like that way, they are closely aligned that project goals, and they can create a robust testing strategy or that meets that user expectation of that software. So that is a very important part for a QA automation engineer, guys. Now, what that impact of software quality? So basically, a QA automation engineer enhance that software quality. They reduce the number of defects in production, and they are preventing the defects. They are preventing the bugs. So for that user, able to get that good quality software, and for user it is a smooth experience. And so for that, like a this process will eventually make that a brand reputation stronger. So that's the impact of the software quality. Without quality, there will be very bad reputation for that your software or whatever kind of product you are going to make. So there is lots of tools are there, but like most popular tool is like Selenium for automation, Jira for defect tracking, Jenkins for CI/CD pipelines. So mastering that tools also needed. Like that, if you want to do that like load testing, then you have to go with the JMeter. It's a kind of open source tool. If you want to do that API testing, then Postmeter you need to learn. So tools also, knowing that tools, it will like a extra benefit for you. You can understand that whole concept properly. You can do your work quite significantly faster if you are using that any tools throughout your process. Now, what kind of challenges a QA guys are actually face? So basically, a QA automation engineer, they face lots of challenges. Like first challenges is like maintaining the test script and test cases. That is that more difficult task, and also there is some frequent challenges will come for requirement. Along with that, some kind of different platforms, very like platform in the sense of test environment has changed, or some kind of environment related issues are coming. What kind of future trends in there in QA automation? So in that future, there will be AI driven testing will come. So through that AI, lots of AI tools are there. That AI tools will be going for that scriptless automation. We just need to record that our like procedure or manual steps. That AI will take care about that automation. So these kind of tools will about to come. So or further, it will improve that efficiency and accuracy of that automation testing processes. And also right now, that through AI you can write the test cases, and like you can tune the test cases in quite well. You can like do that some kind of research oriented task, and you can say like some kind of brainstorming strategy you can make through that AI. So these kind of future trends will be heated in QA in further future. So what is the conclusion of this video, guys? So in the conclusion, QA automation engineer actually plays a crucial role for ensuring their software quality. So their responsibility, skill, and impact will be have their development process are essential for the delivering successfully software products. So that is the conclusion for that QA automation roles. Okay. So I hope this video actually is okay for that understanding purpose of a QA. And I don't know this video is good or not. So guys, if you like this video, please like that, and if you have any comment, please comment down, so I can get to know what you guys are getting feel about this video. and also I'll try to improve that my video perspective and quality on that in future. So guys, thank you, thanks for your valuable time, and if you have any questions, please comment down. I'll try to move forward along with that your question.